Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the rest part of this lesson, lesson 1, Know Your Computer. Video number 8. This is your revision video with example. So now, students, please open your book, page number 15 of lesson 1, Know Your Computer. Now, students, immediately open your book, page number 15 of lesson 1, Know Your Computer. Okay, students, ready? Students, in previous video, we are studied about primary memory devices and secondary memory devices. Primary memory devices and secondary memory devices. Primary memory devices, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory, while ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. Okay, students. Secondary memory devices, different type of devices. So many devices like CD and DVD. CD stands for compact disc. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. Pen drive, memory card, hard disk, external hard disk. Now, students, today I am going to start new topic, software. In previous videos, we all studied about hardware. Now today, I am going to explain software. As you know, hardware refers to all the physical components. And software refers to the programming part. Now, students, listen very carefully. Now, open your book, page number 15, software. While drawing pictures in Paint app, it means application, Paint application. While drawing pictures in Paint app, we use a computer mouse. Students, previously I told you your mouse is pointing device. We use a computer mouse to draw and see our picture on the monitor. With the help of monitor, we can draw pictures. And where you can see on the monitor, the mouse and monitor are hardware. Mouse and monitor are hardware parts, while the Paint app is software. That is the programming part, written part. The mouse and monitor both are hardware parts, while the Paint app is a software. A computer is made up of many hardware parts. These hardware need instructions to work. Instructions given by us. A set of instructions given to a computer to make it work is called program. What is program? Program is a set of instructions that is given by us. A set of instructions given to a computer to make it work is called program. One or more computer programs make a software. One or more. One or more computer programs make a software. Need of software. What is the need of software? Why we need software? Need for software. Without software, a computer cannot work. Students, keep it in mind. Your computer cannot work, cannot do any work without software. It enables the user to interact with a computer, and its hardware are perform tasks. It enables the user to interact with a computer, and its software are perform tasks. Similarly, any software can be used only when it is stored inside a storage device. Where? Stored inside a storage device. That is hardware. It is stored. Where it is stored? It is stored inside a storage device, and storage device. What? Storage device, that is the software, hardware. Again, Mr. Student, similarly, any software can be used only when it is stored inside a storage device. Where? Stored. Where it is stored? Inside a storage device. That is a hardware. That is a hardware. Hence, both hardware and software are equally important for a computer. Students, you know very well, there are two main parts of computer. Two components of the computer. Our computer consists of two main parts, hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical component. We can see, we can touch. And software refers to the programming part, written part. This is the difference between hardware and software. Both important. Hardware and software are equally important for a computer. Students, in previous video we all studied about hardware also. On page number 8. Hardware parts are further classified into input devices, output devices, processing device, storage devices. Our computer system is made up of two main parts. Our computer system is made up of two main parts, hardware and software. Hardware classified into input devices, output devices, processing device, storage device. And software, there are two types of software: application software and system software. So students, hence both hardware and software are equally important for a computer. Page number 15 students. Last paragraph. We install and store many software inside our computer as you wish, as per your requirement. We install and store many software inside our computer so that we can use them anytime in future. Types of software. There are two types of software: application software and system software. There are two types of software: application software, and application software is also called an app. App, it means application. This software does a specific type of work. For example, paint app for drawing, it means paint application for drawing. Calculator app, it means calculator application for doing calculation, sums. Word app, application for typing, etc. Where you can type letter applications or any text. Word application. These are the name of applications. Application software. These are application software. Paint app, calculator app, word app. You can see in your book on page number 16 here given. Paint app, calculator app, word app. These are the name of app. We can install an app on our computer according to our requirement. That is depend upon you. We can install an app on our computer according to our requirement. Next, system software. This software controls the overall working of a computer. System software. This software controls the overall working of a computer. Operating system is an example of system software. OS. Operating system, OS, is an example of system software. And student, very important for all of you, now listen. Next line. Without an operating system, we cannot even start the computer. What? Without an operating system, OS, we cannot even start the computer. We cannot do any work. When we purchase our computer, now listen very carefully. When we purchase our computer, the operating system software is already installed on our computer. When you purchase your computer, the operating system software is already installed on our computer. Windows is the most popular operating system. Windows is the most popular operating system. Now students, recap of this lesson. Hardware are the parts of a computer which we can see and touch. Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer. Input devices are the parts of computer we use to feed data and instructions to, like mouse and keyboard. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, digital camera, touch screen and touchpad. These are the name of input devices. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the processing device. CPU is also known as the brain of the computer and main parts of the computer. The three main parts of CPU are arithmetic and logical unit, control unit and memory unit. Output devices are the parts of a computer that give the information. Some of the output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, headphones and plotter. The parts of a computer we use to store work are called storage devices. Some of the storage devices are CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drive and memory card. Software is a set of instructions given to a computer to make it work. There are two types of software: system software and application software. Application software does a specific type of work. System software controls the overall working of the computer. In this lesson, students, we are studied about our computer system. Our computer system is made up of two main parts: hardware and software. Students, as you know, there are three main parts of computer: video, CPU and keyboard, including mouse, four parts. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device which stores and processes the raw information or a set of data to give meaningful and useful information in a particular order. Computer is an electronic device, electronic machine. Okay, students, that's all. Thank you.